Alright, hello, my name is Cody Jackson. I'm a full-time graduate student here at NC State, and today I'll be walking you through Voicethread. So once you've logged in, the first thing I want you to do is to go to the My Voice page. So once you click on that, it'll bring you to a screen where you're able to see all the different voice threads that you've created so far. So as of right now, you should have none. So let's go ahead and move on over to the Create section. The first thing you need to do is upload a photo. There are several different ways you can do this. The first of which is a photo from your own personal computer. So if you have it on a thumb drive or somewhere in documents, you'll be able to upload it. The next source is the URL, and we'll get back to this later, but it's also fairly important. Probably the biggest source you'll be able to use for this project is the media sources. I would definitely recommend the New York Public Library. It has the greatest amount of historical images, paintings, and pictures that you're able to use. So as you can see, the collection is very large. Up in that search box, you type in anything you need. So Culpeper's Rebellion, about Moravians, just anything about North Carolina history, they'll probably have something on it. So let's go ahead and keep looking down here. Historical and public figures. So as soon as you select the category that you want, you can even search within that category. So we'll search in Nixon. Hopefully we'll find the president, but let's see. So as soon as you've selected the category you want, you can search for it, or you can browse through the pictures in that category. Well, I'm not finding it on this first page. I'm not really seeing the Nixon that was our president during the 60s and early part of the 70s. Now we'll click on this guy. He looks fairly distinguished. And we'll click on this couple. So you click on the images that you want. After you've selected all the ones that you think you'll use, you click on the import button. So go ahead and back out of this screen. So after you've got the images you want, you can start creating with them. But first we'll see if we can't find an actual picture of Nixon. So this is the other source that I mentioned earlier. It's the URL. So the best place to go is Wikimedia Commons. Because it's a public and open source, you're not copywriting by taking these pictures. Alright, so whenever it does load, we're going to look up Nixon. Alright, so several pictures are coming up. Here we go. Here was the Nixon I was originally thinking of. So what you want to do for Wikimedia Commons is click on the picture. So it should pop up something like this. You're going to want to click on the picture again. This is the only way to get the URL to be accepted in the Voicethread. Well, the only way that I found anyway. So it's very simple and pretty easy. So now we go back to upload, click on the URL button, and copy and paste the URL that you just had in. Click on import, and there you have 3 different pictures. What you can do is you can arrange the pictures in any order you'd like to talk about them. Now the next step after you've uploaded the pictures you want to talk about is to comment on them. Alright. So there are 2 main ways you can comment. You can record your voice using a microphone, and you can type it in. In order to record your voice, just click on the record button right there, and the first time you do it, you'll need to click on this allow button over here, and you can just start talking. So once you're finished, at least for the picture or the current thing that you're on, you just click save, and it should appear here in the playback section. You click on the next arrow to move to your another one, and right here I'll show you the second type of recording, so to speak. This will be visual, this text. So we'll just type in 2 movie actors. At least I guess they're movie actors, I don't actually know. That's kind of what they look like. Move on to our next picture. And for Richard Nixon, the first thing that comes to my mind is Watergate. you just click on save that. Then when you're done commenting on all your slides, you can click this playback button right here, and this serves as a preview to what you have down. So as you can see, your voice comment will appear up there, and so when people are watching this, they'll be able to hear that. Text comments will appear in the same region. They'll just appear as text. So once again, like I said, it's the text comment appearing over here. So you finally click that final arrow, and we'll go ahead and add this to your My Voice page. As you can see, you can email it to people as well. So when you click on the My Voice page, you'll be able to see it comes up right here. When you click on the menu, you can go back and edit. See, this one doesn't have a title. So let's go ahead and add a title and description. As you can see, Voicethread is pretty simple to use. You just upload the photos that you want to talk about that'll work for your digital narrative, and then you comment on them. There's not much to it. Just make sure to use New York Public Library, which is in the media sources, or Wikimedia Commons, and you should have no trouble finding any images that you want. Click on save there, and that's it. That's all there is to a VoiceThread. Alright, I hope this has been informative.